If you're preparing to send your child to an apartment or dorm at college, here are 7 tools I think you should send with them so they can handle the common repairs that often come up. They're all compact and easily fit into a corner of one of the boxes you're packing for them. Number 1 is a multi-bit screwdriver. It should have all the common screwdriver bits, including a star bit, so they can easily assemble IKEA furniture. They'll use it to tighten screws, adjust cupboard doors, pry lids off, those sorts of things. The Mega Pro 15-in-1 screwdriver has all the bits that they're going to need. The link to buy this on Amazon and all the other tools that I'm going to talk about will be in the description down below. Number 2 is a multi-tool that has pliers, a knife, and other useful tools. The WeTools 21-in-1 multi-tool will do the trick. They can use it to open packages, file rough edges, and a lot of other common tasks. Number 3 is a package of 3M command strips and hooks. These can be used to hang pictures, hang up keys, or hang up anything else that they need to get up off the floor. Get a variety pack so they have all the different ones that they're going to need. Number 4 is a package of Velcro cable ties. They have a lot of cords, and by getting them organized, you make sure that someone isn't going to trip over a cord and yank an expensive laptop or tablet onto the floor and break it. Number 5 is a package of plastic shims to level out furniture or appliances. You and I both know that table or chair is always going to wobble. So use these plastic shims that are durable and can be easily cut to any size they need. Number 6 are short 3-prong extension cords so that everything can fit into a single power bar. You don't want one of those large plugs blocking a number of the other plugs, and now you don't have enough space to charge everything you need to. And number 7 is a small hammer. You never know when you'll need to hammer a nail back in on trim or in the floor. And all they really need is this small hammer to take care of that. So there you go. 7 compact tools you can send with your son or daughter as they head off to college. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button so other parents who are sending their kids off to college can find this list and send them with these tools. Subscribe to the channel so you get notified when I publish new videos about DIY home projects that you might want to take on now that the kids are away at college. Thanks for watching.